Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the transmission or transmission solenoid fuses relays are located on first generation Mercedes GLC. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. If you have problems with your transmission, we'll explain which fuses relays to check, what else can cause that. After that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, if you need to find where the transmission, solenoids, also fuses, relays are located, let's explain that now on this generation Mercedes, guys. GLC will be working in multiple fuse boxes. What we need to do first, we need to open the passenger door, and here on the passenger side, guys, okay, want to show you right here in the footwell compartment, okay, right here on the AP, or you have one plastic trim, remove it. Behind it you have the main passenger side fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check specifically, seeing here now, the first fuse that we need to check is that's fuse 301, 2, 3, 304. This fuse right here is very important fuse that you will need to check. Now, if you remove the glove box on the left side, behind the glove box, deep inside the dash, you have a pre-fuse box. If you open that pre-fuse box, it has multiple fuses like this one here, guys. And here what you need to check is fuse number 10, this fuse right here. Very important fuse. Also, you need to open the hood now, and when you open the hood, on the right side, on the driver's side here, you open that cover, and underneath is the engine fuse box, specifically here. Okay, what we need to check? We need to check fuse number 105. We're talking about this fuse right here, 105. Then we will need to check relay K. Okay, and you wonder where is that relay K? Well, under that cover you have two relays. You can't see them, white relays. Relay K is that one that you need to check right here. Then you need to come to the trunk, and when you guys open the trunk, leave the cargo cover up. Underneath you see that flap, open it, and underneath you'll find the trunk fuse box with that layout here. Now, here we need to check fuse 448. This fuse right here, and we will need to check fuse 454. That's 450, 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse right here. Now, if you still have problems with the transmission, shifter, solenoids, module, anything like that, check the engine pre-fuse box fuses as well. You don't have a direct fuse there for the transmission, but it could be another pre-fuse, mega fuse that causes that problem. We have a video on the channel where it's located, and if you have problems where transmission does not shift, we have a video on the channel that will explain the top things for that, what we see in the garage, how to diagnose, test components, and how to fix it as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.